Hello, hola, bienvenidos, bienvenidas. So, let's start with today's topic. As anticipated in the last lesson, we are going to talk about vegetables, las verduras. Last time we talked about la fruta, now it's time for las verduras. This is plural, the singular is la verdura. So, la ensalada is the salad. Probably you have already studied this word. As I told you in the last lesson when talking about fruit, there probably will be many words you already know, but it's never a bad idea to go over them once again, and there will certainly be some words you don't know, so it's going to be interesting to get to learn them today. So, la ensalada is the salad. Ensalada. El tomate. El tomate. Tomato. El tomate. El tomate. Los tomates. La patata. La patata, potato. So, tomato, potato. Tomate, patata. La patata, las patatas. Then we have the sweet potato. Pay attention, it is not la patata again, but it is la batata. La batata. La batata, las batatas. Sweet potato. The cauliflower is la coliflor. La coliflor. La coliflor, las coliflores. Coliflor, coliflores. Then the cabbage, el repollo. El repollo. Double L is y. El repollo. El pollo is the chicken, so don't get confused. El repollo is the cabbage, completely different. El repollo, los repollos. Cabbage, cabbages. El broccoli. El broccoli is broccoli. Just one C and the tilde on top of the O, of the first O. So, el broccoli, los brócolis. El brócoli, los brócolis. Carrot, la zanahoria. La zanahoria. Remember the H, we don't pronounce it, so zanahoria. La zanahoria, las zanahorias. Very good. Carrot, carrots. The eggplant, another quite long word, la berenjena. La berenjena. La berenjena, las berenjenas. La berenjena, las berenjenas. Berenjena. Berenjena. The eggplant. The pumpkin is la calabaza. La calabaza. La calabaza, las calabazas. And then we have el calabacín. El calabacín. The zucchini. El calabacín, los calabacines. So pay attention. La calabaza is the pumpkin. El calabacín is technically it is a little pumpkin, but zucchini don't really resemble pumpkins, do they? But anyway, the Spanish called zucchini calabacín. So, el calabacín, los calabacines. Then let's carry on with the cucumber, a very fun word in my opinion, el pepino. El pepino. El pepino, los pepinos. Cucumber, cucumbers. Actually, Pepe is also a Spanish name. Not very common. It is common perhaps more in the rural areas, for older people. but it is actually a name, Pepe. El pepino, though, is the cucumber. El pepino, los pepinos. The artichoke is la alcachofa. La alcachofa. Alcachofa. La alcachofa, las alcachofas. Okay? Garlic is el ajo. El ajo, los ajos. Ajo, ajo, ajos. And then, of course, la cebolla. La cebolla, the onion. La cebollas, onions. La cebolla. Pepper is el pimiento. El pimiento. El pimiento, los pimientos. Mushrooms, las setas. Las setas. We can also say, of course, mushroom, singular, la seta. But generally, we refer to them in plural. So, las setas are the mushrooms. La seta is the mushroom. Spinach, las espinacas. Las espinacas. There's also, of course, the singular version, although it is less common. La espinaca. La espinaca, las espinacas. Green beans. Las judías verdes. Las judías verdes. So, judías is beans. La judía, the bean. Las judías, the beans. And then las judías verdes, of course, the green beans. Lettuce, la lechuga. La lechuga. La lechuga, las lechugas, although we use the singular version much more. La lechuga. Peas, los guisantes. Los guisantes. Remember, we don't pronounce the U because it is in between a G and an I. Los guisantes. El guisante, los guisantes. The plural version is more used. Asparagus. El espárrago. This seems very much like Jack Sparrow, but anyway, el espárrago. Remember to make those WRs sound. Espárrago. El espárrago, los espárragos. Okay, so now, as we did for last time, it's time for you to practice the vocabulary you just learned and answer this question. ¿Cuáles son tus verduras favoritas y cuáles no te gustan? So, what are your favorite vegetables, and cuáles means which vegetables you don't like? For example, me gustan muchas verduras. La lechuga, el tomate, las berenjenas, las patatas y las setas. No me gustan las zanahorias y los guisantes. This means I like many vegetables, lettuce, tomato, eggplants, potatoes, and mushrooms. I don't like carrots and peas. No me gustan las zanahorias y los guisantes. Very good. Now, let's recap today's vocabulary. Hoy hablamos de las verduras. Today we talked about vegetables. La ensalada, el tomate, la patata, la batata, el coliflor, el repollo, el brócoli, la zanahoria, la berenjena, la calabaza, el calabacín, el pepino, la alcachofa, el ajo, la cebolla, el pimiento, las setas, las espinacas, las judías verdes, la lechuga, los guisantes, el espárrago. Very good. Felicidades. Congratulations. Today's lesson is over.